Today I rode my bike to Azalea Falls, my favorite place in Raleigh. I haven't seen many photos or any videos of this place, so I figured I would make a video showing how to get there. So this place is right off of Duraleigh Road, right as you're going over this big gorge thing here. I was kind of discouraged to see the construction site, but it actually didn't make its way all the way over to the falls, so it wasn't too bad. There's actually a trail that goes down into there, but I didn't notice it at first, so I actually ended up going through the construction site, and that was kind of fun, but I wouldn't recommend that. Now, once you're out of the construction site, it's really pretty down by Crabtree Creek. You know you're headed the right direction when you see this little slug guy. Always like him. Yeah, pretty much every time I'm walking around up here, I slip and fall, so you ought to be careful. Once you're down off this ledge, you'll be at the base of the falls, and let me tell you, if it's rained in the last few days, this thing can be really loud. You can hear it from quite a ways away. Raleigh is kind of like the area between the coastal plains and the foothills, so we get a little bit of this cool mountainous scenery, which is pretty rare for the area. I don't think I've seen anything like this except in maybe like Chapel Hill. At the top of the hill here, there's this weird stone structure. Maybe it was some type of dam or maybe part of a mill. But it's pretty cool looking. I like the way that the water looks as it goes over it. There you have it. Definitely check this place out if you're in the area. It's one of my favorite spots to just chill out. Thanks for watching.